Hi there. Today I will be showing you the way to extract or see the files inside a .dmg file in Windows PC, which is usually a Mac PC file. Here you can see that I have a DMG file, which I cannot open with any default program in Windows operating system. So, here I need a software called 7-zip. Simply download the 64-bit version for your PC and install it. It's simple to install, thus skipping it. Now, simply right-click. Show more options. 7-zip. Then extract files. OK. Now the DMG file of Mac OS is being extracted to my PC. It's finished and a new folder is made. Inside that I can see all the files it contains. Now, I can edit or modify any file I need to do easily. So, this is how you can simply take out files from a Mac PC's DMG file. Hope this helped you and you are benefited. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.